scallion and onion and...
Alright, let me start a thing. This is Randy Pants for Jamaica Good Life. Now we've been traveling through MoBay with our guests, and the experience for some food at some restaurants, the personality, the energy was very bad. Right? Garbage can.
Rush on!
Right?
Put out the pan for me.
So we came to a place to wash the car, and then we found Yady's, you know, a nice little restaurant in opposite to the market. So you can Google you, right? So just Google Yady's, right? And let me tell you something, people. You know, some eat food and much out of the world. So I'm come in here with a girl. So guess what I'm doing with the man do to the rice? You see me? And this thing was 750 over the road at the sudden thief me $900 for them pork. The man put ginger in the rice.
Probably taste pimento too.
And pimento. So the chef, where is the chef from?
Right here in MoBay.
Call him. Compliments to the chef. So he's a look out.
Oh, chef!
Call him. People, the pork soft. So when you come from the airport, book an early flight. Call Yady's. I'll get the number for you. Lord God, you know some love food. Boy, see the number there. Hey, me get one now. Yes, Yady's. Me rank you one of the best in MoBay. Tell them about your history. How this place started.
Yeah, so this place started because we believe that there are so many places around that just cook to make cash, and we decided that we want to do this so that somebody can have it, enjoy it, and come back. You spend your money, you want to feel satisfied and then feel like you've enjoyed your meal. And so we go to do things just like how we do it at Yard. So we call it Yady's Restaurant. You have time to cook and put everything in it to taste the way you want to taste it, to feel satisfied and to continue to eat that, and that's what we do. So everybody who comes here, come and eat as if they are eating at home, the best meal that you can find.
I have to shake off your hand, I have to shake off your Prime Minister of the country, this is pork. Why? What is chef there? My brother from Vancouver, okay. Africa,
yes.
New York. He's a foodie. You see what I say? And you, Mr. Chef, you mind I film you for YouTube? So him cook everything.
Yeah, man, everything. You can get your curry goat and your jerk chicken and your stewed pork and escovitch fish. And
people, chicken. You remember in the past when you look at pork, you just stick to your teeth?
Yes, sir.
When you eat pork, it's a gummy, and if you stick to your teeth, when you open up your mouth and lock it back. This is a country pork. We have to find out where it come from. I will teach him to do it so. Him no normal. This guy is good. Take care of him. Give him a raise tomorrow.
Yeah, man. Do a contribution.
Yeah, give me some pepper now. You know, sir, I wait for go on the grill for, you know? But now, now me find something near to me. Oh, yo, it's good. Did you taste the authentic? Did you taste it, right? But it was good.
Yeah, it was good.
People. No, man. Sir. All right, people. No, sir. And now when you divide the 750 by 145, how much American that?
Just over $5.
$5? Yady's. See the people just search for it. When you come off of the plane and call him, check him and find out what him have. And the Hugo guys can deliver. Them deliver for you.
You can bring this on the plane.
Huh?
Cook food, you can check it on the plane.
Can you bring cooked food on the plane with
Not
you?
on the plane, no.
But I could check it in my
You
luggage.
can check it in, but
But not, I can't carry it.
but where you going?
Georgia.
No, they don't want no food, no meat at all in the country, no. People have even bought jerk pork and they confiscate it when they get into the United States. So no meat, they're thinking that they can carry all kind of stuff in there, you know, contaminated stuff. So they don't allow no meat at all. So you can't eat it on the plane. You know, that's why they don't carry anything like. Well, I don't even know. If they can
Wow.
carry food on the
This
plane.
is what I'm talking about.
Right here.
Excuse me. I don't know. Yeah, you can if you buy it after TSA.
Yes, you have to buy it inside, yes. After you pass through security, you can purchase stuff and take it on, but nothing come from outside to go in. So unfortunately, the best meal in the world you might not be able to take with you. Unless you're gonna let us invest into setting up a kitchen inside. Okay.
So you're expanding.
Yeah, we're doing that. We're gonna have this thing.
Brother.
COVID has slowed us down, really. Badly affected us. Then everything was locked down.
Yeah.
So it has slowed us down. We weren't able to do the expansion and the development that we wanted.
So you don't worry about people finding you, because once them find you, they're hooked.
Once they find us, that's their
Food always done, no leftover for tomorrow, right? We're gonna do leftovers.
We don't eat on the road, we eat at yard. That's why we come to Yady's restaurant. We eat at yard. You understand?
Got it.
That's it.
Got it.
And when you come to yard, that's your yard. That's your home for food.
So where's Mr. Chef?
Chef, they're still calling him.
He's going to take a shower or what?
Wants to just meet with us. I think he's busy. He's doing some
I'm gonna do
prepping,
something.
you know? Meat
Except
and
for
stuff,
work.
so
One.
Sell natural juice?
we do it, but at this time, don't have any today.
So how does this guy
That's
fit?
out there.
Because
Chef, you run?
You're famous, you know, brother. Good work. All right, so this is Jamaica Good Life. I don't know, sir. We respect you, brother, and respect the team. How does this man fit into the team?
Well, this man is a all-rounder. He does every little thing around the place.
Manager. You're the upcoming manager.
He does every little thing, you know? Yes.
Yeah, man, keep it up, guys. Good job. I'm impressed, and I'll be coming back for taste everything else to keep ranking it, you know, and bring my good camera, all right?
You're going to be around tomorrow. You'll taste our curry goat. You'll never believe.
what
Curry
time
goat?
tomorrow?
For tomorrow. That's on lunch for tomorrow.
Lunch.
You'll never believe. Yes.
What time?
It should be ready by about 11.
So let me ask you, she's leaving on the 8th.
Yeah.
Are you going to cook that again between now and then?
Goat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I know just tomorrow I'll cook the goat. Okay.
No, yeah.
At what point do you cook goat soup and all them things there?
Yeah, man, we do.
What kind of soup you cook?
Sometimes our special, we don't have any soup today, but we do goat head and belly, we do chicken soup and
So if somebody wants to have a party because your food's so good, you do catering?
yeah, we do catering. That's one of our specialty. We do catering. You can call us and for your repast, if it's a funeral, if a party, it's a birthday party or a wedding, just give
Now
us
you hear me say, I come film good. Brother, I live in MoBay. And it's hard when you live somewhere and bring people come check you. And then them not happy. The worst thing I when me pick up people at airport and them look at me like me an idiot. Because I can't find, when you're the Manchester, a different story. Sente, you know, Negril. But MoBay people, it's like with the food, it's like them not care. Because they're just tourists.
a quick thing to just have something there. Don't take the time out to
So my God, so I find so I can show off now. Not just for me look good now, you know. I want to know, say, yo, man, come on my spot, Yaady.
I just want to know that you're satisfied. That's
Yeah.
your job. You gotta feel satisfied when you spend your money.
Brother, this is some of the best pork. So I'm seasoning it to the bone. And in practical, remember say sometimes you have to put it overnight in the fridge, in the bucket, you know.
Yeah, man, that's
Pan it with it.
Everything, purple and everything set up.
Yeah, man. So your thing is authentic. It's all about keeping what Jamaica is. This is Jamaica. This is Jamaica. You never run from it. This is not about money. This is Jamaica. This is fine cuisine. This is it. Enough things out the road. So, my brother, respect.
Blessings.
Much respect. And